This graphic illustrates the basic steps of training evaluation. We start by identifying the program outcomes. To do this, we consider the training needs, identified by the needs assessment, the training objectives and learning outcomes of the program, and stakeholders' expectations. Then we can develop our outcome measures using the Kirkpatrick-Phillips model. We need to make sure that our measurement tools are relevant, reliable, practical, and fair. Third, we choose an evaluation design that is appropriate for our training situation, including our budget. This decision involves how and when the measures will be administered and who will participate. Finally, we execute the design we chose, collect and analyze the data, and draw conclusions based on it. How can we use the data to make improvements or cut costs? Now that you are more familiar with the process of assessing training effectiveness, you can explore some of these components in more detail in subsequent lectures.